guys, welcome to the AI schools. Today I'll discuss the AI techniques. Okay, what is AI techniques? In simple terms, AI techniques is to manage and organize the data in such a way that it should be useful futuristic purpose easily. So, AI techniques is defined as AI techniques is a manner to organize and use the knowledge efficiently in such a way that first is it should be perceivable by the people who provide it. That means here I am taking one example. For example, I am the CEO of one company. I am providing my data to the expert. This expert should be manage and organize my data in such a way that if I want to access that data, it should be in structured manner and I can easily identify and I can easily track what I need. That means AI techniques means to organize and use the knowledge efficiently so that a person who need to access that data, it should be easily available and it should be easily accessible and understandable. Second point is it should be easily modifiable to correct error. For example, here I am taking COVID-19 data. It is continuously updated day by day. So it should be organized in such a way that if there is in futuristic error or any update, it should be easily updatable and modifiable. Third is it should be useful in many situations, though it is incomplete or inaccurate. Here, for example, I am taking a face detection. So face detection data is already trained, and if my camera and my model, if seeing my half face, it can easily identify it is me. So the third term, data can be data can be in such a manner that can easily identify and give the result, although it is incomplete or inaccurate. So here is a definition of AI techniques. There are three main AI techniques. First is a search, second is a use of knowledge, and third is a abstraction. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means think like human. And how it is think like human? There is some such techniques it is following. So there is first techniques is a search. I am saying searching is a most important techniques in artificial intelligence. Why I am saying searching is a most important techniques in AI? Like if you want to solve something, you need to identify what are the elements are present in the problem, and we need to identify and we need to search that problem so that we can solve this. So main searching is techniques provide a way of solving problem for no more direct approaches available, as well as a framework into which any direct techniques that are can be embedded. So another technique is use of knowledge. So if you want to solve something, you need to use your knowledge. And how you are using the use of knowledge, we need to embed it something to the system. So use of knowledge, this techniques provides a way of solving complex problem by exporting the structure of the object that are involved. Third one is abstraction. So these techniques provide a way of separating important features and a variation from the many unimportant ones. So that is, it hides the detail of something. So abstraction means hiding the details of something. So these techniques, it is providing separating important and unimportant features. Here I am taking one example. If we want to compute the square root of a number, so we need to simply call the function sort in a C. So in C we need to only import that function what it is doing the square root. So if We do not need the implementation details, how square root performs in back. We do not need to import. So the main abstraction means of separating important and unimportant features. So AI techniques, three main AI techniques. First is a search, second is a use of knowledge, and third is a abstraction. So thank you so much for watching this video.